Hello. Good morning to all of us. Happy Friday. Now it's Wednesday. It's not too much windy, just normal hangin, kumbaga pa ko. Ayan, makikita mo rin na At saka, happy Friday to all of us. Now, wala kaming cut off sa Wi-Fi. Kaya, dina-download ko yung kagabi na nag-attend kami ng birthday. Ano yun yung birthday ng classmate ni Sisi in the school. So, they are friends of Madam also. Their parents. So, that's why. That's what we are doing. So now, it's already 6:20 a.m. in the morning. So, good morning, good day, and good afternoon, good night, or good tanghali sa buong mundo. Sa iba't ibang ori ng iba't ibang klase ng bansa dito sa buong mundo. So, kumusta? Ingat kayo lagi. So, kumusta? Ano kaya ang mga weekends? Ano ninyo? Kagabi, yun, pagkatapos ng lunch kasi namin dito 6 o'clock in the afternoon. So, kaya ganun ang life namin dito. Kaya pagdating ng 7, time na yan para lalabas, lalo na pag Thursday. That is on Friday weekend, Saturday. So, same as usual, mga activities. Go to the family of Zero, the family of Madam, or go out to AGCC sa weekend. So, hindi naman din normal sitting, normal cleaning lang. And my nose is super running. So lumabas sa sobrang init, lumabas na naman yung allergy sa running nose ko na since until now magiging throat dry at mainam, at least na lalabas yung mga germs. Okay, so as of what I'm feeling good day, and brush ako ng konti kasi meron ako mga laundry. Okay, so same as usual. Okay, that is only for my house. Let's check so it's little bit ayan yung tanim mo. Sumayaw-sayaw yung kahit yung poste ng ilaw. So it's little bit windy. So ayun lang naman din. So that is the summer and Friday day. Now, so ayun na naman yung favorite ko dyan na until now it's still diba? So once again, happy Friday and happy weekend. Ingat to my all families worldwide, nationwide, and to the different countries, to the different people in this earth. Ingat lagi ang kanto-angkan sa hometown ko. Alam nyo na who you are. Okay, so take care and God bless us all. And bye. So, ikot na lang natin ito ng tingnan dyan yung magandang motor doon, Okay, kaya na. Bye-bye.